Hi, everybody. This is Vlad Frazal. I'm your AWS Principal Solutions Architect. Can I create a solution that will call an API, take the API output, evaluate it, and give me an answer in using, a natural language, using plain English or whatever language you want? Yes, the answer is yes, and I'll show you that right now. So the API system that I'm using is called OSView. If you don't know what OSView is, I would suggest that you go to osviewforum.org. There's a lot of information there. And the API that I'm using is one of many OSView APIs. It's called Search. The Search API supports full text search on string fields, range queries, and things like that, including geospatial search. So let me show you one traditional way, right? The way of calling the API, where you just, you call the API and pass a query for it, and you get the output, right? If you look at the output here, it might not be as easy to read as some people might want, right? So there's another way of doing that, which is by using a natural language model-based system, okay? So that's what I'll show you right now. So this is the demo that I have. You are talking to a natural language model. So let's take this query right here and ask a question as a seismic engineer. Evaluate the following OSView search. And then I'll put my query here. Let's see what happens, right? So what's going on right now is this solution is going to OSView, querying the API, taking the output, and evaluating it, and you give me an answer in natural language, right? So yeah, the data represents a well named BRK06, also known as well 1141, all right? So it was spud on this date, total depth on that date. This is a vertical well, so on and so forth. So I think that's a lot easier, right, to evaluate and to understand what's going on here than JSON, right? So let's do another one. Let's do another query. Let's this time query a well bore. So I'll do the same query. I'll take another query here and do the same. But I want to ask a different question. What is the oil potential for the following OSGU search? And then I have my well board there, right? So if I look at here on this query here, the traditional API, oops, my token expired. That's okay, it shows the security of the system, right? So, but here I re-authenticate every time that I run a query. So yeah, so what's the oil potential for the following OSView search? The well reached a total depth of 830 meters as per the vertical measurement, et cetera, et cetera. Here's where it's located. Based on the above information, it looks like a non-short deviated hydrocarbon exploration well drilled in 1980 in the Netherlands. Although the formation is not specified, given the total depth, it seems likely they were targeting shallow gas or oil prospects. So this is a very interesting answer, right? So, and a lot better than having a JSON file. So yeah, there are other ways of querying your APIs and evaluating the API. And I just demonstrated two things to you all today. One is you can do this way, and the other one is, OSView system is really secure because my security token expired and I couldn't take it anymore, right? So I hope you enjoyed. And the next interaction of this demo, I'll get rid of this specific syntax and use natural language for everything. So stay tuned and see you in the next video. Bye for now.